It is like a child being given a slice of cake, gobbling up all of it, right in front of the birthday boy and no one saying anything. This is how this kind of blatant greed is allowed to run rampant in the mining world. Every time a company gets a license to mine in an area, it has to tell the government how much ore it excavates, then pay the government a royalty per ton of the ore. But unbelievable as it seems, mining companies are just not keeping records of how much ore they are excavating and are paying no or very low royalties to the government.
Can you imagine the kind of loss to the exchequer? And number two, the plight of the people there. And Odisha being the highest population of below the poverty line.
The total loss to the government both in Odisha and at the centre could run into thousands of crores, but no one seems to care.
Suppose they are paying one truck royalty, they are taking another 4 trucks, non-royalty trucks, ores.
Take a look at this letter. It was written on 26th of February 2011 by Bishwanath Behera, the Deputy Secretary to the Director of Mines, Odisha Government. It is a list of several companies that Behera says are mining far beyond their permissible limits, hiding their real production figures from the government and underpaying their royalties.
There is also a regulation. Cap of the extraction is a regulation through IBM. Now, they went on extracting. Now, the local officers were giving them transit permits.
There is no way such a scam can happen without the active connivance of officials from the forest, mines, railways and other departments. All of them are colluding to make sure no one checks what is happening on a mining site, how much ore is loaded into trucks and how much royalty is paid to the government. It almost seems like a joke, but the Odisha government has not even put in place a system for the trucks that leave a mining site to get a foolproof transit pass. It is an open door policy. Anyone who comes out of a mine can leave with as much ore as he or she likes with no checking. Robbery has never been easier. From the key mining areas of Odisha, the government has no record for companies, for example, like this one called GNG Exports.